In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam CS2 trading errors inventory unavailable. If you are seeing that message when trying to trade or view items, don't worry. It's usually a temporary hiccup with your session, cache data, or Steam's servers. Follow along and we'll work through reliable fixes in order. From quickest to more thorough. First, completely shut down Steam and log back in. Don't just close the window. On Windows, right-click the Steam icon in the system tray and choose Exit. On macOS, quit Steam from the menu bar, then relaunch Steam and sign in again. This refreshes your credentials and session tokens, which often clears the inventory unavailable message right away. Next, clear cache and cookies. Inside the Steam client, open Settings, go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and you'll need to log in again. If you are trading through a web browser, clear that browser's cookies and cache as well. Or try in a private browsing window to isolate extensions and stale data. If you still see the error, verify your CS2 game files. In your library, right-click Counter-Strike 2. Choose Properties, open installed files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish without interrupting. While this primarily fixes corrupted files, it can also resolve odd client-side behaviors that affect inventory display. If you've been making many rapid requests, Steam may rate limit your IP. In that case, try connecting through a reputable VPN and choose a nearby region for stable latency. After connecting, restart Steam and sign in again. Then check your inventory. If it works, you can disconnect the VPN later. Avoid hopping between many regions quickly, as that can trigger more limits. Before you troubleshoot further, check whether the problem is on Steam's side. Visit SteamStat.us to see current server status. If you notice degraded web API or community services, the best fix is patience until Steam stabilizes. Speaking of patience, sometimes the smartest move is to wait and retry. High traffic or slow APIs commonly cause temporary inventory errors. Give it 30 to 60 minutes, then reopen Steam and try again. Keep your retries spaced out to avoid triggering new rate limits. Finally, disable third-party trading plugins or extensions, such as inventory helpers. These can flood Steam with background requests and make the error more likely. Turn them off, restart your browser or client, and test again. Work through these steps and in most cases your CS2 inventory will load normally. Thanks for watching.